What is up, my dudes, and that one girl who wonders if I actually wear pants when I make these talking head videos? I mean, it's possible. It's definitely possible. This is Bikes, Beards, and Brews. Let's kick that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we kick this one off, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. New videos are coming weekly. You ring that bell, you know when they drop. Let's get the other stuff out of the way. Want to save 10% on a Cardo Communicator or save some money on some Beyond Riders gear or Kemimoto gear? Then you should definitely check my referral links down below. Want to support me in all my do-gooderness like these cool guys here? Bam! You should become part of the Brew Crew and check the coffee page down below. Why know why I'm asking you for money? Well, next to those 10,000 Amazon affiliate links that also go to a good cause is a link to a video explaining what I do with your money. Get it, got it, cool. Let's move on. Alright guys, so today we're going to be talking about a helmet that I've had on this channel before, I've done reviews for before, and we're going to be talking about how you can win this at Laconia Bike Week on June 15th. That's the Saturday just before Father's Day, and it's very easy to enter this and very easy to win this. So I hope you right there, I hope you win. So make sure you pay attention. We're going to do a quick review on this helmet, and we're going to talk about how this is upgraded from the one that I actually did a review on previously. And then you decide, are you coming up to Laconia? Are you going to try and win this helmet? Because let me tell you, it'd be a lot cooler if you did. All right, so before we even crack this open, I just want to draw attention to this bag. This bag comes with the helmet. This is in the box with the helmet, and this is a nice bag. You've got a pouch for all your extra stuff here. This is a nice premium grade bag altogether. It's got vents for your helmet so it's not getting all nasty in there. You got pouches on the side. You've got a nice zip right here. I mean, they went all out. But let's talk about the actual star of this video, and let's really get into the helmet itself. So let's fast forward to the good part. So let me introduce you to the 509 Mach 5 Carbon Commander. This is a sweet helmet, let me tell you. Like I said, I did a review on a very similar helmet. It was on the 509 Mach 5 Commander. The big difference is this is a fully carbon fiber helmet. It comes in at $800, and we're going to do a few breakdowns here, and I'm going to explain to you what this helmet has, what it offers, and why such a high price tag, and how you can have this helmet for free. So let's get right into it. All right, first and foremost, I already mentioned it. This comes with a full carbon fiber shell, and this is really nice. You've got the nice exposed carbon fiber up here. You can definitely see the pattern. It is well done. You've got a few details on the side, but even that, you can see the carbon fiber in here as well. This is just a beautifully rendered helmet. It's got a nice design to it. Definitely air is flowing over this thing. It is going to cut through the wind. Now you may ask, why am I not wearing a carbon fiber 509 Mach 5 helmet? Why am I not wearing a Mach 5 helmet at all? Well, the problem is with this helmet, for me, it's a little too narrow, so it rips at the gauges in my ears when I take it off. 509 was absolutely awesome. We worked on this issue a couple times. We just couldn't get it. It just wasn't wide enough for my mongoloid size helmet. That is not their fault. That is, I don't know, my mom for dropping me so many times as a child, I guess. But overall, this is a beautiful helmet, and it is going to make a great helmet for one of you out there. You right there. Alright, so carbon fiber isn't a good enough reason to make a helmet $800, so let's get into some of the other stuff that this helmet has, because let me tell you, this is like a kitchen sink helmet. This thing has so much stuff to it. First and foremost is it has a full Cardo integrated into this helmet with JBL speakers. This is pretty much equivalent to a Cardo Pack Talk Edge. Now, if you've ever gone to Cardo and you've looked that up, you're looking at probably close to $400 for that communicator alone. It is integrated into this helmet, speakers and all. So again, you've got this nice streamlined look here. and you've already got your communicator, and you can hang out and talk to people like me. You've got your controls on this side. And one of the other great things about this helmet is it has an active chase light back here. So this light right here actually lights up. Let me see if I can get that powered on right now. Just out of the box. There we go. Check that out. And this could actually be synced up so it actually works with like your brakes and all that. Or you can just use it as an active light. One more thing for drivers behind you to see. Now, one of the other cool things that this has is pressurized sound isolation. And let me tell you about that. It's going to be kind of hard to see, but inside there are ear cuffs in there, kind of like set of headphones. And then back here, you've actually got a pump and a release valve. What that does is it actually pumps up those ear cuffs so they give you a nice seal around your ears so you have the best sound going on and you have all the wind noise kind of being blocked out. Then you press this button, lets the air right out. That is a fantastic feature. That is absolutely awesome. And that again goes into why this is an $800 helmet. There is a lot going on here. Now this visor is double walled and it's fairly thick, so I'm fairly certain you don't need a pin lock because it's kind of already built in there. If you were to feel this right now, it feels like there is a pin lock already in there. So I think that is a pretty fantastic design. For those of you not aware, 509 comes from like snowmobiles, winter sports, stuff like that. So a lot of the design that they're putting into this is stuff that they learned while they were actually making cold gear. So, you know, instead of buying a pin lock, it's already integrated into this helmet. There's also a breath guard in there. You can't quite see it because there's a visor here, but you can remove that breath guard too if that's something you don't want in the way. That is what the helmet looks like when the visor is up. These visors are quick release and they do sell other options. So if you don't want the clear one, they have a lot of different colors and it looks absolutely great. Honestly, I wish this helmet fit me. 509, please. Next version, make this about an inch wider and I am all over this. This is quite honestly one of the most aggressive looking helmets I have ever seen. It's got that nice fighter pilot sort of look on it and it is just awesome. These vents on the side are Venturi vents, so what they do is they pull in cool fresh air and on the back they push out all the old stale air without actually just blasting it in your face. So it's almost like this nice passive system that isn't overwhelming to you, but it keeps everything nice and comfortable. If you want more air, there's a vent on top as well that you can open up and you get it right there. So overall, this is such a well thought out helmet and it has just got so many perks to it. The other thing that I love is the fid lock system. Now I know some people don't like this. Honestly, I love this. Anytime a helmet comes with this, I am so excited. And aside from 509, there's only one other brand I can think of that's using this. I really wish more brands would adopt this. This is such a great system, especially if you're like me and you always forget to strap your helmet before you take off on a ride. This, it's a little magnet, you pull it across, you're done, you're good, you're just riding. This is great. So yes, this is the $800 helmet that I am offering up for free on June 15th at Laconia Bike Week. So, all right. So how do you win this? Well, this is fairly simple. First and foremost, you're going to go over to Instagram. You're going to subscribe to me, which I'm sure you already are. You're going to subscribe to 509 Helmets, and you're going to subscribe to Cardo Systems. I've made it easy for you. Down in the description of this video, there are links to all three of those Instagrams. Just click on them, hit subscribe. And you're also going to make sure you're following me on YouTube, which, hey, you're here, so you're definitely doing that, right? Checking out every video every week. Come on. And that is it. You are entered. And that is the requirements to get entered. So what you're going to do is on June 15th, you are going to show up in Laconia, New Hampshire. You are going to go over to the Suspension Technologies tent. They are over at Hart's Turkey Farm, which is in the parking lot directly adjacent to Laconia Harley. I'll throw up a map right here. Pretty easy to find. Even if you park at Laconia Harley, you just walk across the little bridge that connects the parking lots and you are there. Or you park right there at Suspension Technologies. Hell, bring your bike over to Suspension Technologies. If you are still riding stock, Talk to those guys. They will put some amazing suspension on your bike and you will never look back. Seriously, they make the best suspension. I love it. Anyone I've gotten to ride suspension technologies has absolutely loved it. I've got people to put on rears and the very next year they come back and put the fronts on. They love it so much. Seriously, awesome. Best suspension in the game. Check them out. Nonetheless, you're coming over to Suspension Technologies at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard, and you're going to come find me. It shouldn't be hard. I'll be there. My bike will be there. This helmet will be there. Some of my friends will be there. And you're going to show me that you are subscribed to all these places, Instagram and YouTube. And then I'm going to give you a raffle ticket. And then what's going to happen is at noon, I am going to pull from those raffle tickets. You're going to get that raffle ticket, and if it is yours, you're going to try this helmet on. If it fits, it's yours. You're gone. You're good to go. If it doesn't fit, next person in the raffle. This is kind of like sword in the stone. You are entering for a chance to try this on to see if it fits, and if so, you just won yourself an $800 helmet. I'll probably throw in some other stuff as well, so you definitely want to be there. It's going to be a nice goodies bag of stuff. Trust me, it's not going to be just a helmet. But nonetheless, yes, that's what you're going to do. You're going to get the ticket. You're going to try on the helmet. As long as the helmet fits, it's yours. You're good to go. If it doesn't fit, or if you're sitting there trying to like squeeze 10 pounds of potatoes in a 5-pound sack because you really want the helmet, it's not yours. If you're like, oh, I'm here because I want to win it for my boyfriend, and your boyfriend's not there, you're not winning it. It has to fit you. So yes, that is it. Fairly easy, right? So do the subscription stuff. Come out to Suspension Technologies at 11 a.m. on June 15th. It's a Saturday, the day before Father's Day in Laconia, New Hampshire. And let's see if you can win this helmet. Let's do this. I'm rooting for you. You, right there, you. You're gonna win it. Trust me. You right there, you're gonna win it. Nonetheless, that's what I've got for you this week. So you feeling lucky? You gonna be there? Sound off down below. Let me know. Do you have a 509 helmet? Sound off down below. Let people know if you like it. I know this is a newer company when it comes to motorcycle helmets. So getting the word out there is pretty important. And I really do want to see these people grow. Their customer service is absolutely amazing. The people I've dealt with are amazing. These helmets are amazing. Honestly, I really can't make this an inch wider, guys. And I'm there. I am there. That's what I've got for you this week. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that 1509 designer you know, and tell him, make this an inch wider. Trust me, he loves this stuff. And I'll see you all on the flip side.